Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 41. This is the last of the health lessons. You will listen to the doctor and understand what he tells you. If you like this video and find it useful, please give it a like and comment. Thank you. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Water, water, water. Pharmacy, pharmacy, pharmacy. Tablet, tablet, tablet. Sympathy, sympathy, sympathy.
Problem, problem, problem. Important, important, important. Conversation, conversation, conversation. Patient, patient, patient. Temperature, temperature, temperature.
Have you got something for a headache? Have you got something for a headache? Have you got something for a headache? What have you got for a sore throat? What have you got for a sore throat? What have you got for a sore throat?
Take regular exercise. Take regular exercise. Take regular exercise. I was ill a week ago. I was ill a week ago. I was ill a week ago. Can I make an appointment, please? Can I make an appointment, please? Can I make an appointment, please? Hello, Dr. Park Surgery? When would you like to come? Dr. Park can see you at 4:30 on Thursday. Will that be okay? And what's your name, please? Okay, that's fine. Yes, that's right. We'll see you on Thursday. Goodbye.
Okay, well, I think you have a very bad sore throat. I'll give you a prescription for some tablets. I want you to take 2 of these every day. That's 1 in the morning and 1 at night. Oh, and drink lots of water as well. That will help. Yes, well, a problem like backache is always very hard to deal with. There are so many reasons why people get backache. However, it's painful, so I'll give you some cream. Use it at night before you sleep, and see me again next week. Well, the good news is that I don't think it's the flu, but you do have a bad cold and cough. You don't need any medicine. Just stay in bed and take it easy. Oh, and I wouldn't recommend going to work for 3 days or so.